Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank everyone for 100 subscribers. Today we are going to see how to make this Eevee dash or jump dash with the nice special smoking effect. Okay, shall we start? Let's go! Let's take a look at what I currently have now. I have this person with the game screen, and this part is the animation and the control. I have left, right and jumping. Okay, so let's add dash. Firstly, we need an object that can move this person nodon. So I go to objects and then special objects, moving objects. Let me select the sphere. Okay. Then for this sphere, right, I have to disable, visible, solid, destructible, and destructive. And link this with the person nodon. Yes, so now we have something that can move this person, but we still do not have a way to control the dash, right? We need an X button to control the dash. And we have to go to settings and change the output timing from while pressed to on press, because we do not want a user to press it forever and then dash our person forever. Okay, let's close it. Then we need a constant to control how fast our dash should be. Let me set it to 60. You can change this value to whatever you want. Like if you want it to be faster, you can increase this. If you want it to be slower, then of course you can decrease this. Yeah, then the current output of X is like very short. It's like in a blink, but our dash is longer than that. So we need a timer. And then we connect the output of button X to the input of timer. Then we go to the configuration. We do not want to delay the output, so we set this to be 0. And the second parameter is for controlling how long the dash should be. In this case, I set it to be 0.2. Okay. So we want this input of this moving sphere to be 60 when X is placed. But I want the input to be 0 when X is not placed. So we need multiplication here. And then we times 60 with the output from the timer. So this means that when X is placed, this will be 1 for 0.2 seconds, and with the multiplication, right, the output here will be 60 for 0.2 seconds. Okay, let's link this. But we are not done yet. Let's see what we are missing. Okay, let me try dash. Okay, it looks correct, but like, let me try dash when I'm walking to the left. Oh no, it's still going to the right hand side. Yeah, so we need to detect the direction. Let's go back. To control the direction, we need speed sensor. Okay, speed sensor is here. And then we have to link this to an object that we are tracking the speed. And in the setting, we have to disable visible. Okay, close it. Then we add the multiplication sign. We times the X output of the speed with the output from the multiplication sign earlier. Then we connect this to the input X of the moving sphere. So this means that when an Eevee moves to the right, the speed here will be positive. Therefore, the value here will also be positive and the dash direction will be right. But when the Eevee is moving to the left, the multiplication here will give negative, so the Eevee will move to the left. Let's see this in action. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh yeah, see? Now it dashes correctly. It can also do jump and dash. Let's add a final touch, which is to add a smoke. To add a smoke, we need an object, special objects, effects, and then smoke. I have to go to the configuration and then change it to word If it is camera, right, you can see the smoke all over the screen, but we only want to see the smoke at the Eevee. And the properties is invisible, otherwise we will be able to see the small thin white line. We have to set the connection point to be Y negative to Y positive. Close it. And then we have to connect this to the moving sphere. And we have to change the connection point of the sphere to be from Y positive to Y negative. With this, the smoke will appear on the Eevee directly. Right now, we need this input, right? The trigger input. In this case, we want the smoke to appear when X is pressed. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, so now when an Eevee is dashing, you can see smoke. Yay! Here is the last question. How to disable jump dash? Let's say I only want to dash on the ground. Let's go back. Here we can make use of our touch sensor here. Instead of triggering everything by X, we can add middle and then logic AND. We connect touch sensor with AND. We also need X to connect with it. Then we connect the output of AND to timer and also to the effect. So let's take a look. Yeah, now we can still dash on the floor, but when we jump, we can no longer dash. That's it for Dash tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to animate sprites, please check the tutorial in the description box below. Also, if you have any tutorials that you want me to make, please leave me a comment. And finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!